Good afternoon, madam. Today I'm going to introduce about our story regarding to the case study 2. First of all, Anna's story that bought shoes from Coolfit Shoes. Anna bought shoes where Coolfit Shoes made a promotion of 70%. Anna bought a pair of shoes she was interested in and quickly ordered the shoes and paid it. Anna is very happy to be able to buy her shoes. After a few days, the shoes have reached her home, but Anna is sadness because the shoes that reach her house are different from the Anna book. So what Anna need to do now? Now I'm going to demonstrate an issue on the above situation. Whether Anna can get back the situation that she interested, whether the contract between Anna and Coolfit Shoes is valid or not, whether Anna can change the shoes. Explain the principle regarding the situation. Section 17 Sales of Good Acta 1957. Sale by sample. The bulk of the goods must correspond with the sample and quality. The buyer shall have the reasonable opportunity to compare the bulk with the sample. If the seller fails to comply, the buyer is entitled to reject the contract. The goods shall be free from any defect. Ap- Apply the relevant provision of the Sale of Goods Acta 1957. Section 17 1 Sale of Good Acta 1957. A contract of sale is a contract for sale by sample where that is a term in the contract express or implement to the effect. Describe the relevant cases to support your answer. Case name Drummond versus Van Eegen. Fact: the cloth supplied by the seller was equal to sample previously examined but because of the latent defect not discoverable by a reasonable examination. Court decision: the court found the seller in breach of condition. Advise the parties involved and justify your answer. Topic or law. In selling according to this sample, if the goods are not as in the sample, then the buyer can change or reclaim the goods. The goods that sold by seller must be same as the sample that displayed to customer. Advice Anna. Anna action were not wrong because she had seen a suitable sample before Anna bought the goods. Anna before buyer the shoes she shows the quality and feedback from other customers. Advice Coolfit Shoes. Coolfit Shoes need to be honest in selling item to Anna or other customers. Coolfit Shoes should be responsible for the damage that has been sold. Conclude your answer. Anna can get back her shoes because she entitled to got items with the sample like she wants. The contract between Anna and Coolfit Shoes is valid because Anna get the wrong shoes that she buy from Coolfit Shoe Company. Thank you for watching our video.